This is going to be a how-to on how to set up a shared list data field on a BSC. So from here, your welcome page, you're going to go to core software. And then this is going to be assuming that you've already got a shared list set up. So if you haven't done that already, there's actually a how-to video on how to do that. So you want to do that first. So I'll just show you this here. I've got 3 different lists inside my shared list. So that's going to be important when we're setting up this device. So what we want to do is go to devices. And then I have a module set up here. So it's just going to go here. I'm going to edit it. So I've got these 2 have already been set up with data fields. I'm going to set this one up with that static list data field. So for team lead, I'm going to say when this is cleared, they're going to select what they did to help resolve the issue, right? How did they resolve the issue? This is the issue they resolved. So I'm just going to call this reason. For my source type, it's going to be a list. And for this source here, it's going to be a shared list. So what not required means, if you were to select that, it would mean that they don't have to select a reason from the list to clear that alarm. Allow modification at any time would mean that you're allowed to change that reason once you've selected it. Would be a little difficult on clear, but in theory, that's how this works. This here is going to say we're going to select shared list here. And then basically this is going to give us that list of shared lists that I showed you before we started. So I'm going to just say I want this 2. Value type is going to be text. You can also do numbers. I'm going to hit save and exit to save that. Now I've got that in here. I've got this set up as a PC BSC, so I can show you guys what that looks like. So essentially they're going to hit their team lead alarm. That's going to send out the message, hey, we need help at key input station. Someone's going to acknowledge. Team lead's going to fix that issue, and when he's done, it's going to hit that, and it's going to ask him, hey, what was the reason why you were here? So they're going to select which one applies. Going to hit OK. It's going to go away. That'll take care of this how-to on setting that up with a shared list, and we'll look forward to talking to you again.